everyone. Today we're gonna be doing something different on YouTube, and I don't have my speaker with me, so I'm speaking a little loudly, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm here in Anaheim and California. We came here for a mini vacation and a business trip, and my husband came up with an idea that he really wanted to do something here. Like all five of us wanted to do something. For me, I wanted to go to the flea market. For my kids, they wanted to go to the parks like Disney downtown and stuff. But he really had a great idea. What he wanted to do was he wanted to make a difference. We came to Anaheim. It's absolutely breathtaking, gorgeous down here. This is my favorite city. And when you look around, you will see lots of hotels, great amount of restaurants. You can see a lot of high-end stores, Disney World, theme parks. But then you see the other side of this place, and it's really sad because you see all these homeless people. And back in Minnesota, I don't think I see this many amount of homeless people. But so what he wanted to do is he wanted to go to a restaurant, pick up some good meals. We'll wait for the bus to go by. So we wanted to, instead of giving them leftovers, we wanted to get meals, pay for the meals, and then we're gonna walk down the street and we're gonna be handing out these meals to all the homeless people that we can find today. So whoever's lucky is gonna get a free meal. I will shoot a video of the meal itself. The meal we got was from Coco's, the manager Masum, and there's a worker here who, what's his name again last night? Foster. He was amazing. And so the restaurant is right on Harbor Boulevard in Garden Grove, California. It's called Coco's. Their address is 12032 Harbor Boulevard. I'm telling you, if you're in Anaheim, visit this location and write me a comment, because I'm telling you, you're not going to be, your money, you're gonna get what you paid for, because it's amazing. That pie, I had 2 already. I mean, it's an amazing peach pie, and I had it warm with ice cream. So anyways, we're gonna walk down. I'll show you some clips of the homeless people, and we're also gonna give you a little bit of just a show of what Anaheim looks like. It's absolutely breathtaking. So I've got the meals right here, and I don't know about how many we have, but they're packaged it really well. And that's what they're gonna have today for lunch, is a hamburger, some fries, and we're also gonna go pick up some water bottles for them. So let's go and give these homeless people some good meals. Sir, would you like a meal?
Yeah, man.
There you go. I
Awesome.
hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, just wave to the camera.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your help.
Yep. Take
Bless
care.
you, yeah.
Bye-bye.
We're just giving it out to the...
Oh, sure. Thank you. God
It's
bless
okay
you,
if we
man.
take a picture?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah. You become famous.
Sure, I really can.
All right, man.
Okay, thank you. God bless you, brother.
Take care.
God bless you.
Some extra lunch from Coco's.
Really?
Yeah, and we were just giving it around to,
Facebook.
Yeah, yeah. We're just giving it around to people like
Oh,
you,
man.
who are unfortunate. So,
Can I give you,
there you go, man.
Can I give you something? Thanks, guys.
Sure. There you go, man.
We're not unfortunate, but the world.
We got some free lunch from Coco's. Would you like some?
Sure.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Want another water? I'll just put that right here. It's 2 lunches.
Oh,
And I
thank
gave
you.
him 1.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, would you like for the free lunch?
Yeah, thanks.
Welcome.
Nice.
You're welcome, sir.
Right.
No.
That's cool. Wow.
All right.
That's good. Thank you.
All right, man. Thank you.
So as you can see, we are all done. We delivered about 18 meals today, and that was just the drop in the bucket. And I think what we're gonna do is whenever we go out of state or even in Minnesota, we're gonna make sure that we do this often. And I think if all of us get together and do just a little small act, if all of us get together, we can feed so many people. And there is so much poverty around the world. There's refugees around the world. There's homeless people around the world. If you can even feed 2 or 3, you're making a difference in life. It was just so rewarding to see them open up the boxes and enjoy the meal. And so I guess you guys will have to follow me on all my different trips I'm gonna make sure that I do this to every other state that I go to. But it was awesome to do this as a family. So today was no cooking, but we did feed people. And thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Thank you, friends.